Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will be looking at possible math tools for my math toolbox and organizing my math journal. Possible ideas that I could have in my math toolbox. Some ice cream sticks, buttons if I have, broad pins for counters, cups or any type of containers, stones from the garden, a hundreds chart, a tens frame work mat, subitizing cards, number lines, base 10 blocks. Now some of the items here, they will be placed in the parent resource folder, which could be printed out if you don't have any with you at home. I will also have possibly a rack and rack or an abacus or both in my toolbox. Now, if you don't have one, don't stress. They're pretty easy to make. For a rack and rack, you will need cardboard, string, and beads. To make an abacus, you will need ice cream sticks, beads, and some skewer sticks. And you can make your own. Instructions on how to do this will be placed in the parent resource folder. How do I organize my math journal? When writing in your math journal, I would like you always to start with the date in full with the year. Then you would write the title of the word problem or activity. You may need to stick in the activity in your notebook. Some things that you will use your math journal to do is you will show or explain your thinking, do a reflection, and share what you've learned. I have put an example of what a possible page in your math journal could look like. And one other important rule when working in our math journals is that we do not use any erasers. So when you've made a happy mistake, all you need to do is strike it out and fix it by rewriting it. I do not want you to erase the mistake that you have made. It is very important for me to see your thinking and what error or mistakes you have made, because it will help me to better understand you as a mathematician.